Hello everyone, today we're going to look at a new one, trading strategy. It can be used in any market, as well as with any trading instrument. I chose a 1-hour period of time.
Maximize your profits with XM Forex Broker. Sign up now and enjoy features like zero commission on deposits and withdrawals, comprehensive educational resources, and personalized customer support. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to take advantage of these exclusive trading benefits and more.
And further, we need add an indicator to our chart. We are now moving on to indicators, and we write in the search, the magic line of the revolution. This is the name of our indicator. Add it to our schedule. It looks like this. Next, we need make some settings with it. Therefore, let's move on to the settings. Here, we are changing this definition from 96 by 110 and further for your own convenience. I always choose white. I like it better that way. What kind? It's up to you to choose so you can see for yourself. Yes, 100% white color. I will also increase the thickness of this line. Save the settings. And we look at the chart. We are watching that the price intersects the line and moves downward. It's a sell signal, as in this case. First, let's find. Here's an example. We see an example here. The price crosses the line and moves up. This is our buy signal. Let's take a look now. Let's use a real-life example to see if our strategy will work. Now we have a signal, because there was a crossroads here. Indicator lines with the price, and the price is rising. So let's open it here. A buy position. Here we set the stop loss. And take profit. The risk to return ratio is 1 to 1.5. And we'll see. When it works, we have this agreement. That's it, we've made a profit and are recording it. As you can see, everything worked out well. In this situation, there was also a price overshoot with an indicator line, and our price goes down accordingly. That's why I'm opening a deal for sale. On this spot, we exhibit stop loss and take profit. And we are watching the schedule where the price will move. Everything is fine with this deal, and we have also generated revenue. Use only one of these indicators. It does not guarantee that we will receive only profitable trades because it is in a sideways trend. This strategy would not have worked for us. In addition, we might not have been able to make a profit in this range because the price would have continued to move sideways. This deal would not have worked for us. Thus, to reduce the number of false signals, we need to add another indicator to the chart. This indicator is called Oscillator Volatility. Add it to the chart. We see that it has appeared below. Let's move on to setting it up. You only need to change one value in it, up to 200, and save the settings. Next, we are considering hours, schedule, what we need. When the price is higher, from the indicator line at a sufficiently large distance. Then we only enter into buy transactions. And we can buy only when on this indicator a buy signal has been received. But there must be a breakthrough of the bottom line. Let's take a look. We have a buy signal, but we won't open the deal because there is no breakthrough. We are looking for a better signal. This signal is not suitable, and in this situation you can buy. This is the place where we would have made it happen, a purchase order. Next, let's see how this will work for us. On this spot, we open a buy position and set a stop loss. And take profit. As you can see, on this spot, we would have recorded the deal, and we received income. Let's take a closer look. Example, for sale, but I wanted to show you something else. This is where we get the signal. For sale, but our price is higher and it should be lower. Here, a buy signal, but we do not open a trade because although the price is higher, it is close enough. That's why we miss such signals. Yes, here we have a higher price. Indicator lines, although the indicator shows a sell signal, but we also miss it. This is where we are now. In principle, it would be possible to participate in the purchase. It's in this place. Open a buy order, somewhere around here. Fix the profit at this point. Let's see when we have it. A downward trend. We had some of them. There was a long-term upward trend and a horizontal trend. I finally found an example that I can show you. We can see that we have it. Breakthrough. The upper line where a sell signal is generated. Our price is below the line. Distance between the price and the line. It is quite large. They are not close to each other. Accordingly, I could sell myself here. This is a place where I could make a deal to sell. Go ahead. This is what we are going to do. We offer stop loss, take profit. And we're watching the graph.
We would have recorded the income around here.
As you can see, the strategy is working. Only required for a long time to wait for the signal. These signals. We ignore everyone. There is a sale that is so investigated, but as we can see, there is no crossing of the line. Therefore, all these signals are ignored. Everything is being bought. Everything is being bought. As you can see, the strategy is excellent. It works. You can also use it and start trading on it. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. And see you in the next video.